Ever wonder why Australia's nature is so unique and diverse? The answer is rooted deep into the ancient history of our planet. Let's journey back around 180 million years ago, when the supercontinent known as Gondwana was still intact. This massive landmass was home to what is now Australia, along with parts of present-day Africa, South America, India, and Antarctica. Over millions of years, the tectonic plates drifted apart, and around 50 million years ago, Australia found itself in isolation. This isolation played a crucial role in the evolution of Australia's unique ecosystems. With no land bridges to other continents, the flora and fauna of Australia began to evolve independently, leading to a remarkable diversity of life forms that can't be found anywhere else on the planet. Australia's geographical location and climate also played a significant part in shaping its natural environment. Spread across a vast area, the continent experiences a wide range of climatic conditions, from tropical in the north to temperate in the south. This diversity in climate has led to the development of distinct ecosystems, including lush rainforests, arid deserts, and vibrant coral reefs. Rainforests, for instance, are home to a plethora of unique species. Deserts, though seemingly barren, are teeming with life that has adapted to the harsh conditions. And then there's the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world, which supports an astonishing variety of marine life. And it's not just about the wildlife. The landscapes themselves are breathtaking, from the towering sandstone cliffs of the Kimberley to the expansive salt lakes of South Australia. Each landscape tells a story of millions of years of geological history. This unique formation and evolution have given Australia a rich biodiversity that's unlike any other. So the next time you marvel at the uniqueness of Australia's nature, remember, it's a tale that's been millions of years in the making. Australia's nature is a vast tapestry of diverse ecosystems. Let's take a stroll through some of these incredible landscapes, each with its own unique set of life forms. First, we dive beneath the waves into the underwater paradise known as the Great Barrier Reef. This is the largest coral reef system in the world, with over 2,800 individual reefs. It's a bustling metropolis for marine life, from the vibrant clownfish hiding among the anemones to the majestic whales migrating through its waters. Next, we journey to the Daintree Rainforest, the oldest continually surviving tropical rainforest on Earth. It's a veritable treasure trove of biodiversity, with a multitude of plants and animals that can't be found anywhere else. Here, the air is filled with the symphony of bird calls and the rustling of the leaves as creatures stir in the undergrowth. From the lush rainforest, we venture into the stark beauty of the Australian outback. This arid landscape stretches as far as the eye can see, with a rugged charm that's truly mesmerizing. It's home to a range of hardy species, from the iconic kangaroo to the elusive bilby, all of which have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Last but not least, we explore the pristine wilderness of Tasmania. This World Heritage Area is a haven for unique species like the Tasmanian devil and the Huon pine, one of the oldest living things on planet Earth. The air here is crisp and clean, and the landscapes are breathtaking, from the towering mountain ranges to the tranquil lakes. Each of these ecosystems is a world in itself, supporting a myriad of life forms. They're also interconnected in ways that are often subtle, yet profound. The health of the Great Barrier Reef, for instance, can affect the abundance of fish in the Daintree Rainforest, which in turn influences the survival of species in the outback. Each ecosystem, with its unique set of flora and fauna, contributes to the intricate web of life in Australia. Australia is home to some of the world's most unique species. A land of rich biodiversity, Australia boasts a variety of creatures and plants that you won't find anywhere else on the planet. Let's start with the animal kingdom. Kangaroos, for instance, are a classic symbol of Australia. These marsupials are unique for their large, powerful hind legs and long feet, which they use to travel great distances in the vast Australian outback. And then we have the adorable koalas, often mistaken for bears, but are actually marsupials. They spend most of their lives in the branches of eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves and taking long, leisurely naps. The emu, Australia's largest native bird, is another fascinating creature. Unable to fly, these birds still get around just fine, with their long legs allowing them to reach impressive speeds. The platypus, with its duck-like bill and beaver-like tail, appears to be a creature straight out of a storybook. This semi-aquatic mammal is one of the few venomous mammals in the world, with males possessing a spur on their hind foot that can deliver a painful toxin. Let's not forget the feisty wombats and Tasmanian devils. Wombats, known for their cube-shaped droppings, are burrowing marsupials, while the Tasmanian devil is a carnivorous marsupial known for its strong jaw and ferocious temperament. Moving on to the world of plants, Australia's flora is as diverse as its fauna. The eucalyptus tree, a staple in the diet of the koala, is a common sight across the country. Acacia, or wattle, with its bright yellow flowers, symbolizes the Australian spirit. And then there's the kangaroo paw, a plant that gets its name from its unique flower structure that resembles a kangaroo's paw. These unique inhabitants are a testament to Australia's extraordinary natural history. They're the result of millions of years of evolution, shaped by the country's diverse landscapes and climates, each one playing a unique role, contributing to the rich tapestry of life that makes Australia such a fascinating place to explore. What does the future hold for Australia's remarkable nature? That's a question we all need to ponder upon. Australia, a land of incredible biodiversity, is at a crossroads. Its unique natural heritage is under threat, and the decisions we make today will shape its future. Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns are altering habitats, driving species to the brink of extinction. The Great Barrier Reef, a vibrant underwater ecosystem, is bleaching at an alarming rate due to warmer oceans. Bushfires, amplified by climate change, are burning through forests, threatening the survival of species like the koala. Habitat loss is another major concern. Urban expansion, agriculture, and mining are wiping out vast tracts of wilderness. This is not only reducing the living space for Australia's unique wildlife, but also fragmenting populations, making it harder for them to survive. Invasive species, introduced by human activity, are wreaking havoc on native ecosystems. Cane toads, feral cats, and rabbits are outcompeting indigenous species for resources and altering the ecological balance. Pollution, too, is taking a toll. Plastics are choking our oceans, harming marine life. Chemical runoff from farms is contaminating waterways, impacting both flora and fauna. These threats may seem insurmountable, but there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway across Australia, aimed at protecting its unique biodiversity. National parks are being expanded and corridors are being established to connect fragmented habitats. Invasive species are being controlled and efforts are being made to clean up pollution. Sustainable practices are also being adopted. Renewable energy is reducing our carbon footprint. Regenerative agriculture is restoring soil health and biodiversity, and communities are rallying together to clean up beaches and waterways. The challenges are great, but so is our resolve. Each one of us can play a part in protecting Australia's nature. By reducing our impact, supporting conservation efforts, and adopting sustainable practices, we can ensure a future where Australia's unique biodiversity thrives. The future of Australia's nature depends on our actions today. It's a treasure worth preserving for generations to come.